Hi guys, I'm Jetlag from BlockHub. In this video I will guide you on how to use the Story Node dashboard. The purpose of this Story Node dashboard is to simplify the process of Story Node installation. So if you're using this dashboard, you can simply just run some simple commands and all the node installation will be automated for you. I also added the link to the documentation on the description so you can follow along. And the first thing that you have to do is just run the command to download the script. Okay, after the download process is finished, you can continue to run the command to make the script executable. Now you can run the dashboard. In this dashboard, there's few options that you can choose. The first one is to install the Story node. Second one is to check logs. You can choose to check Story or Story-Geth logs, and next is check sync status. You can also schedule a Story client upgrade with this dashboard. And the last one is you can check both the Story and Story-Geth version. For now, let's start with the node installation. When you run the installation process, it will ask you to fill the moniker for your node. After fill out the moniker, just wait for the installation process until it's done. When the installation process is done, it will ask you, what would you like to do next? You can choose to go back to the dashboard menu, or you can quit by choose option number 2. First, I want to check the story logs. Okay, everything is looking good and the height number is increasing. So next I want to check the Story-Geth logs. Choose option 2 and choose the Story-Geth logs. Okay, the Story-Geth logs also looking good here. I don't see any error here. So the next I want to do is to check the sync status. Right now it shows that I'm still far behind, so I will wait till it sync. Now I want to check both the version of Story and Story-Geth client that I just installed. You can check the version by choose the option number 5, and the first one that I want to check is the Story client version. Okay, right now I'm at 0.9.13 stable version. Next I want to check the Story-Geth client version. For Story-Geth client, right now I'm at 0.9.3 stable version. So far everything looks good and running well. So the next thing I want to do is to schedule a Story client upgrade, which is required if you are at 0.9.13 stable version, because your node will stop and not going to work when your node reaches the block number 626575. So by scheduling the Story client upgrade, it will automatically upgrade the node to the new version when the node reaches the specified block. To do that, you just have to choose the option number 4, and then it will ask you to fill the new client download link, client version, and the specific block number to upgrade the node. Okay, it said that the upgrade is scheduled successfully, so everything that you just have to do for now is wait till your node to sync, or you can also use Snapshot that provided by the community for faster sync so your node can be upgraded to the latest version. That's everything that we have on the dashboard, so I hope you guys like it. Thank you.